Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my video. Today I am sharing Masala Poori recipe. It is a spicy puri. This puri has spices and it is a variation of normal puri recipe, another type of puri. This is very soft and delicious and tasty recipe for breakfast time. Along with this puri recipe, I am sharing potato recipe also, so this video is bit longer. Before starting making puri, make sure to filter the flour, remove unwanted thing from it. I have taken 1.5 cup maida and half cup Aashirvad atta. Add 1 teaspoon Kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon Ajwain, that is carom seeds, half teaspoon black pepper, then add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, add salt, then add 2 teaspoon ghee, and mix this all spices and flour with ghee. Crumble this flour, means mix this when it is dry only, do not add any water now. Like this, mix everything. Now add dissolved sugar water. I have used 1 teaspoon sugar. Then add half cup milk and mix the flour. I am making this for 5 people. So adjust your recipe quantity according to your need. Add water as you require, little by little. Do not add water once, so the dough will become thin. Start kneading gently and make a soft dough. I have added Aashirvad atta in this because some people have allergy with eating only maida flour. It may get stomach pain to some people. Like, it's rare, only some people feel it. So if you mix some wheat flour in this, it will become very healthy and you will enjoy the breakfast happily. Do check my other easy breakfast recipes from playlist. You can find other puri recipes from playlist. Knead the all flour gently. Make a soft dough. Apply some 1 teaspoon oil and knead again to make it soft. After getting the soft dough, apply some more like 1 teaspoon oil on it and keep it for resting for 30 minutes. Cover this dough to get more soft. Meanwhile, the dough is resting for 30 minutes. I will prepare potato recipe to eat with puri. For potato recipes side dish, boil 4 to 5 potatoes and mash it. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, add 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 onion, 2 green chilies. Stir fry these all ingredients for 1 minute. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, little bit garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Stir fry all the ingredients again for 2 minutes. Add little water, then add salt. Now add mashed potatoes. Add tomato, some coriander and some kasuri methi. Mix everything well and cook for 5 minutes. After 30 minutes, dough is ready. Make its portions as you like the size. Roll it gently and make it thin to make correct portions. Take one portion and do like this to avoid forming open space in puri. Doing like this will prevent the forming holes in puri. Apply some oil and start rolling the dough in a puri shape that is not much smaller and not much bigger. Roll it gently. The puri should not be very thick or very thin. You can see its thickness should be this much and start frying in hot oil. Fry puris on medium flame and quickly to remove it, otherwise it will get burned. Once it form golden color, the puri is done completely. This masala puri with potato recipe is very tasty and delicious breakfast. It is little crispy and more soft to eat nicely. It is healthy also. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.